Oh, who's an imposter? Like blue down because. Oh, hey subscribers, we're playing the new game Among Us. If I press the emergency button, they call meetings. If
I can't vote because I'm a ghost.
Yeah, you're a vote. You're a ghost, mom. But I play my mom. So this is the Among Us. What's this? No! It's the wrong answer! What's the wrong answer? It says not imposter. He is not imposter. Because that's not it. Because that's where you vote the crewmate out. Because that's the wrong answer. Yo, what's up, guys? I think David the Gamer, Season 3. Is that the imposter who can play? But Mom, are you okay? Come on. In 10 minutes in. There are 2 imposters for me. I was recording first. Once 10 minute video ends. Look, I made a tap. What? So, what? Yellow. Okay. He's sending yellow out. Blue. We did it. Yellow's out. No, that's the wrong answer. 2 imposters. And when it's 10 minutes, I can stop. If I die, the video ends. No. Hey, he's following me. Why someone I don't kill his ass. Oh no! Where? He died! Okay. Line. Blue. Blue. Sauce. Lime. Someone killed Red. No one did. The video ends if I went to space and I die. People died too. Now where? Okay. Oh, blue. Where? Oh. Yes. Lime. Huh? What's happening? Yeah, right answer. It was blue. Hey, Mom. Blue went to the first imposter got killed. Well, if I win, I stop. Wow, thank you. Whoa! The orange dead. Where? Oh my. Trust me, so we can win. What? No one injected Todd. No one injected me. That says time. Hey, why is Green following me to make me lose? Green, black, stop! They're following me fast. No, they're going to follow me. I gotta press. What? Vote line. So we can win. Black vote line. No, they put me out! No! No! It was lying! Yeah! No! Black, why? Oh no, that means I'm imposter. That means I can't lose the contest. What? Orange. Yes! Orange! Yeah! Vote orange! Yeah! Vote orange today! I killed green! Blue was sad because he don't want blue die. Blue sad because he don't want green died. What? Can I tell you? No! Why pulling me out? Yeah! The right answer was not imposter. Oh, purple. Yeah! Yes! Thank you. They trust me. We did it. Yay! They trust me. That means now it's time for final 3. There's two crewmates left, so I can win. Don't press the emergency button. Got you out. Yeah, I won. Yeah, I won. Yeah, you lose. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this video. And make sure if you subscribe. if you press thumbs down, I'll block you and I will delete this video forever. Press this button in the left button, press that right button, and press that. Goodbye, subscribers!